If you are into anime scene, then you would love Scenimefy. Scenimefy is a new project model transforming real life photos into Shinkai animation style images. The problem which it is trying to solve is that the real world images are often complex and hard to render when it comes to Shinkai style. Because these images are complex due to the unique features of their enemy styles, and then often we lack the high quality data set. That is where this Scenimefy is trying to bridge the gap. Scenimefy is a novel, semi supervised image to image translation framework that addresses these challenges. Their approach guides the learning with structure consistent pseudo paired data, simplifying the pure unsupervised setting. This pseudo data is derived uniquely from a semantic constrained style can, leveraging rich models prior like CLIP. Then they apply segmentation guided data selection to obtain high quality pseudo supervision, and then a patch wise contrastive style loss is introduced to improve stylization and details. All in all, a great project. Let me show you a demo from their GitHub repository to better explain it. And I will drop the link to this GitHub repo and this demo in video's description. So for instance, as you can see that on this demo, which is Gradio based, I have selected this image in a natural setting, and on the right hand side, it has generated this enemy style. Let me select one more. So as soon as I have selected this one, and you can see that it has generated the enemy from it. Let me select this house, and you can see the rendering in the enemy style. And then let me also do this line one. And how cool is that? Let me select the night setting, and you can see that it has generated it in the enemy style. They also have a very good paper, and you can read the abstract of it here on this website, and I'll drop the link in video's description. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or feedback, please put it in the comments, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.